At Morgan Polymer Seals, we're proud to ship nearly 100 million parts per year to OEMs all over the world. And our global partners have recognized us with distinguished quality awards because we know how to make the right part the right way, always delivered on time. So how do we achieve industry-leading on-time delivery? We've learned that the key to on-time delivery is quality. Quality throughout every step of the process, from customer service to production, inspection, and logistics. Here's how our team gets it done. When we receive an order, our customer service department replies immediately with same-day confirmation. Once the order is confirmed, our production manager employs a custom-designed MRP system to plan materials and schedule machines. Ahead of production, we test our raw material with a state-of-the-art dynamic diarrheometer. This equipment confirms that our raw material is properly mixed and compounded to ensure optimal cure characteristics and processability. When the raw material is verified, our expert operators use high-efficiency vacuum presses to create precision molded parts. The result is quality rubber seals, manufactured at a low internal scrap rate, a metric which our quality experts improve year after year. After a thorough inspection and careful packaging, the finished parts travel from our plant in Baja to our customs broker, just minutes away in San Diego. Thanks to our CT PAT certification, our products never get held up at customs, so getting parts to their final destination is a breeze. Over the last decade, we've delivered hundreds of millions of parts to North America, Europe, and China. And we're proud to have been recognized with 100% on-time delivery from our OEM partners like Ford and GM for the past several years. Because at Morgan Polymer Seals, we know how to make the right part the right way. Always delivered on time.